Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to update your YouTube application using your smartphone. To update your YouTube application and enjoy the latest feature and bug fixes from YouTube, first of all, open up your App Store or your Play Store on your smartphone. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you do, click on search icon at the bottom right. Go to the search box at the top and type in YouTube. Now look for the YouTube application and check if there is an update button available. If there is update button, you can tap on that to update to the latest version of YouTube. But if you see open instead of update, it means you are currently running the latest version of YouTube itself. So that's how you easily update the YouTube application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.